Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2024 Nissan Altima and I will show you which fuse to check in case your fans are not working, so in case there is no AC or heat, if there is no air being blown from the vents at all. So in this video I will show you the blower motor fuse location. In case your fans work only on specific speed setting, let's say at the highest speed setting, then most likely you are having problems with the blower motor resistor and not the fuse or the blower motor. But first things first, check the fuse if you don't have any air coming from the vents. This video applies to 6th generation of Nissan Altimas made from 2019 all the way up to 2025. And also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so the blower motor fuse will be located in a small fuse box under the steering wheel, just behind this cover. So to remove the cover you will need like a small flat screwdriver, even a key would work, so anything like this. So just want to gently pry it out and remove it. On the back side of the cover you have a small fuse diagram and this black piece. This is the fuse puller you can use to remove and check the fuse. Okay, and the fuse you want to check will be fuse number 30, which is this green 30 amp fuse located right here. And like I said, this is the fuse responsible for power to blower motor. Now, if this fuse is good, what you want to do next, you want to test if the power is coming to blower motor. If it is, then the blower motor probably failed, and if it's not, you might have a wiring issue, so you want to inspect the wiring and electrical connections. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.